My name is K. Radha Manohari. I am the owner of Tia Ojas brand, and we are into manufacture of Ayurvedic soaps and cosmetics. First of all, thankful to all the people who has given me the opportunity. Dr. Nak from Dr. Nak Foundation, Dr. Haridas sir, and Sai Deepa madam. So and all the other members of the organization who has given me the opportunity to talk about plant stem cells, ayurveda and nanotechnology. I'm going to discuss how soaps and cosmetics are made. So soaps and cosmetics are made in natural form and also in with chemical formulations. So in natural form, ayurvedic oils are prepared. So the different herbs are collected and they are shade dried up to 10 to 95 days, and then they are hand pounded and made into herbal powder. So once the herbal powder is ready with the help of some solvent, so many people take different solvents. You can take solvent with water, you can take solvent as glycerin, or else some manufacturers they take alcohol as the solvent. So there are different solvents. So with the help of solvent, a decoction is made. Usually in Ayurveda, water is taken as solvent to make decoction, and sometimes milk is taken, sometimes buttermilk is taken, sometimes directly herbal juice is taken, and this decoction and milk and herbal powder paste, these all together is added to the oil, and then it is heated on low flame until the moisture is evaporated and the herbal oil is ready for use. So in nowadays, many companies are preparing like green cosmetics, because there are some side effects, or some irritants, some redness, rashes causing because of chemical formulations where AHA, BHAs, like different acids like glycolic acid, lactic acid, niacinamide, these type of acids are ascorbyl acid. These type of acids are used in the products for anti-aging cream, for skin brightening, anti-acne. Like for anti-acne, salicylic acid is used. But if the pH is properly not balanced, then it may cause itchiness, redness, irritation, and rashes. So nowadays, nanotechnology is in slowly it is developing in most of the countries, and also because of environmental conditions, environmental factors, and sustainability. So many of them they are showing interest in plant stems and technology also. Like in the traditional way, we make herbal oils with the help of as I said, like decoction, herbal juice, heating them on low flame and until the moisture evaporates. So during this time, there might be some secondary metabolites present in plant stem cell that may evaporate, or the 100% properties of the plant is not extracted into the oil, because polyphenols, plants contains a secondary metabolites which are nothing but bioflavonoids, terpenes, terpenoids, and phenols, tannins, lipids, glucose, polysaccharides. So there are many different things are present in the plant stem cell. So these secondary metabolites are very important for intake and also for external applications in cosmetic field. So in the traditional method, these all properties cannot be extracted into the oils. So due to temperatures, or due to the prolonged succinate extractions and all, we cannot extract all the properties of the plant. They may get destroyed. So because of that, the results may be little slow. So to extract all 100% of plant properties, that is nothing but secondary metabolites, plant stem cell technology is developed. In this plant stem cell technology, what happens is the quality plant is first selected. From that, explant is selected, and that explant is made into cell culture. So in this cell culture, what happens? Callus is developed, and in from this callus is nothing but group of plant stem cells. So these cells are bind or they form clusters. So these clusters are separated into individual cells by suspending the cluster of cells in liquid medium. So these liquids can be again different solvents you can take. So in this solvent, the cluster of cells is suspended and they are separated into single cells. So again, these single cells is provided some nutrients which contains proteins, amino acids, vitamins, all these things to subculture the cells. So when at some point of time after 3-4 cycles of the subcultures, there are enough plant stem cells in the liquid medium. Now we have collected only cells, but actual secondary metabolites are still present in the inside the cell. So now we have to extract these important secondary metabolites from the cell into the liquid medium. So we will, there means here homogenizer is used. So slowly the cell wall is ruptured, and this is the cell. Inside the cell, now all the secondary metabolites are present. Now this cell wall is ruptured so that all the secondary metabolites will come into the liquid medium. So immediately now all these secondary metabolites which comes into the liquid medium, this can be encapsulated in nanotechnology. And this nanotechnology is not anything new developed in the present generation. It is already existing, but it is existing in the pharma field. Very few companies are there actually who is using nanotechnology. So what is the advantage of nanotechnology? Nanotechnology means the product particle size is reduced to so small that that the product easily penetrates through the skin layers and enters directly. The actives present in the product enters directly into the skin cell, where all the human body is made up of skin cells. So inside the cell, like how plant has plant cell is having all the important nutrients, proteins, vitamins, amino acids inside the cell. The same way humans skin cell also has all the nutrients, proteins, vitamins, etc. So maybe depend on temperatures, lifestyle, sleeping habits, and many other factors. Because of these factors, whatever food we are eating, from that all the vitamins, nutrients, proteins are not reaching to the skin cells and organs properly. So here the nanotechnology comes, where we are reducing the particle size so small that the product which contains actives directly enters into the skin cell. So we are supplying food material directly to the skin cell. And because of nanotechnology, the product particle size is reduced, and as well as it is the benefits are for quick absorption and deep penetration. And nanotechnology encapsulation, nano emulsion is different and nano encapsulation is different. Nano emulsion is where the product particle size is reduced, but nano encapsulation means, like as I told you, in the plant stem cell culture, where the cells we develop and cell walls are ruptured, and those important actives present in the skin cells will get into the liquid medium. Now they are suspending, but due to, if they are not properly, if those actives are not properly locked, then what happens is, maybe due to temperatures or constantly opening the lid of the bottle, it may get oxidized, so the properties of the plant get spoiled. So so the nanotechnology, what we do is, like those plant stem cells, the secondary metabolites are encapsulated. So like they are locked in one small packets. These are called as packets. So these actives are locked in packets with phospholipids. In the nanotechnology, phospholipids are used This phospholipid is made out of soybean. It is called as lecithin. In that lecithin, PC content will be there. So these PC, PE, PI, these are three things are there. So for making nanoliposomes, so liposomes is nothing but encapsulation where the actives are packed properly and they are locked tightly. And these packets are suspended in liquid medium. So these are called as liposomes. So now these actives present in the liposomes, the properties remains same without any changes, even though there are temperature changes or climatic conditions or anything else, whatever changes. And these liposomes can be added to lotions, creams, gels, shampoos, many products. So when the person is applying any cosmetic product, when the customer is applying any product, the packets will get open when he applies. So the packet is not open before. The packet will get open only when the customer is applying the product, and that active will penetrate. Because the particle size is very small, the actives enters into the skin, and it crosses all the skin layers and enters into the skin cell, where the food is directly supplied to the skin cell. So there will be a quick results without causing any irritation. And everything, this process is completely developed in these are called as green cosmetics, where there are no chemical formulations in this, no acids or any other chemical ingredients. And I'm not saying that all chemical ingredients are bad. I'm just telling that we can make very good quality product without causing irritation or redness, rashes to a person who is applying the product in proper green cosmetics. So everything is plant based here. Everything completely right from the Ayurvedic oil, plant stem cells, and even though nanotechnology is advanced technology, still this it contains all completely natural ingredients. So for solvent in nanotechnology, we can use glycerin and water, distilled water we can use antioxidant water, and all are the herbs and the nanomaterial which require to convert into liposomes. Even that material is also made up of soybean lecithin. So there are only few companies who are preparing these liposomes, like L'Oreal Paris, Estee Lauder, and hardly some 6-7 companies are there who are into this nanotechnology. So this nanotechnology, plant stem cells, and Ayurveda, Siddha Ayurveda, if we combine all together, I think it will be a great product and very rare combination. And in India, India is a moderate climate where we can get lot and lots of herbs. I think many should come forward to adapt these technologies or develop these technologies and use the herbs properly, and can give very good, better treatment. And we can follow the same traditional Ayurveda, Siddha Ayurveda methods, but we can incorporate into a new technology where people can see the results quickly and safely. The important thing is that the product will not cause any kind of damage to any person of any skin type. So this is really very good concept of plant stem cells and nanotechnology, and Ayurveda herbal oils. Like in when you prepare a nano serum, or when you prepare a nano cream or lotion, we need some medicated oil, and that medicated oil can be prepared through our ancient Siddha Ayurveda and Ayurveda. So this is the way we can make different products with advanced technology. So this is the thing, and I am very thankful to all the people who has given me this opportunity to talk about on this cosmetics, about plant stem cells, about nanotechnology. So thank you.